Okay, now this one, how do you pronounce this one?
Mm.
Maybe one or two students can answer me.
Nga.
Nga, okay.
Nya. 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 Nya.
This one is na.
Na.
Okay. This one is also na. This one is ma.
Ma.
Okay. How do you pronounce this one?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Ra, ra.
Ra.
Ra. Okay. This one?
La. La.
This one?
La.
Wa.
Wa. Wa. Wa.
Okay. This one?
Ta.
Ta. Okay. So we are going to study how to pronounce each letter with the vowels. Like this one, ka. When you join together with a, ka.
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 Ka. Ka.
Ki.
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 Ku.
Ku. Ka. Ki.
So we will pronounce like a ga, ga, ki, I, e, ki, ki, long vowel. Ku, ku. That is right about. So this A is similar pronunciation. De, ke. With O, it is ko. This one is ko.
E.
Ka.
Ki. Ki.
Ka.
Ka. Ka.
Ki.
Ki.
Ku. Ku. Ke. Ko.
Ka.
We will pronounce like this.
Ki.
By putting adding the vowels, we will have the ku sound of the consonants. Okay, now please repeat after me. Ka.
Ka. Ka.
Ka.
Ka. Ka.
Ki.
Ki. Ki.
Ki.
Ki.
Ku.
Ku. Ku.
Ku.
Ku. Ku. Ku.
Ke.
Ke. Ke.
Ko.
Ko. Ko.
Okay, now I wanted to say yourself. Ka.
Ka. Ka. Ka. Ka. Ki. 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 Ku. 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 Ke. Ko.
Okay. We're going to try to understand how to pronounce. Every day we recite Namo.
Namo.
M-O, mo. Namo.
Namo.
Now you see here is a double S.
Tassa.
When you see the double S, this ta and the sa, you join together pronunciation. Tas.
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 Tassa.
Tas. sa. Okay.
တာဆ
Tasa.
တာဆ
Tasa.
တာဆ
Here is a ba, ga, wa, do.
ဂ
Ba, ga, wa, do.
တောဘာဂဝတောဘာဂဝတော
A, ra, ha, do.
အာ
Arahato.
အရဟတော
Arahato.
အရဟတောအရဟ
Arahato.
အရဟတော
Arahato.
နမော
Yes.
ตัสสะ
Now the last
ဘဂဝ
one.
တောအရဟတော
Here is sam.
စမ်
You will see the double consonants mama. Okay, when you see like this, you know, ma, the first ma belong to the sa, sam,
စမ်
ma,
မ
sam, ma. Okay, sam,
ตั
ma,
สสะบา
sam, S-A-M, sam.
สัมมะ
Now here's a B-U. How many letters here?
สัมบุทธัสสะ
D-H. 2. It is not 3. D is 1 letter. D-H is 1 letter. So we can say like
บุตร
boot,
บูดบูด
das,
ดัส
sam, ma,
สัม
sam,
มา
boot,
บุตร
das, sam, ma, sam, boot, das,
สัมมาสัมบุตรดัสสะ
sam, ma, sam, boot, das.
สัมบุตดัสสะ
Sama Sambuddhasa.
Okay, here look at pasa, pasa,
ฟัสสะฟัสสะ
vedana,
เวดา
pasa, vedana.
เวดานาเวดานาเวดานา
Now the next one,
ฟัสสะเวดาเวดานา
viteka,
วิตา
viteka,
วิตา
pasa, vedana,
วิตา
viteka. So what you have to see is when you see
Yeah.
double consonants, so in the double consonants, the first one, this one belong to the preceding ta, preceding consonant. Tak, ka,
ทัก
viteka.
วิทักขะวิทักขะวิทักวิทักขะวิทักขะ
Taka. Beta.
Okay, now we will see like one. How do you pronounce this one?
ยัง
Ja.
ยำ
Yang.
Yam.
ย
Yang.
How do you pronounce this one?
ำมังกร
Mangalam. Mangalam.
Mangala. Okay,
มัง
good.
กลังมังกลังมังมังกลังดวาดาดวาดา
How do you pronounce?
ฮี
Dwadasahi.
Dwadasahi.
Dasahi. Okay.
Dasa.
ฮิ
Dwadasahi.
Dasa. Dasa.
Cinta. Yimsu.
Wa. Dasa.
How do you pronounce this one?
Sadewaka. Sadewaka.
Sadewaka.
ชินตาจิน
Sadevaka.
จินนิสุสเดวาคะ
How do you pronounce?
ทานัง
Sotanang. Tanam.
โสทานัง
Okay, here you have to be careful here. Sut,
โส
not sotan.
โส
Sutan.
โสทานัง
Sutta.
โส
Sutan.
ทานัง
So like if you see O with the double consonant in the following place, at that time you have to pronounce O.
สุทธานัม
Like for example, Uttha,
อุทธะ
Uttha,
อุทธะ
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 Sutti,
สุทธิ
สุทธิ
Sutti. Similarly, when you see with A with the double consonant, it,
อิท
it,
itta,
อิทธะ
no eta, okay, itta,
อิทธะ
Uttha, Sutti, itta.
metta,
Metta.
เมตตา
เมตตา
Okay, metta. This a similar pronunciation like in the it.
Metta.
It. So in another case, a we will pronounce like a, but in this case,
It.
we pronounce, it. Metta.
เมต
เมตตา
อ่า
So o and the a before the double consonant, you have to pronounce for the o. For the a, you have to pronounce it. Itta.
อิทธะ
Suttanan.
สุทธิ
สุสุทธานัมนา
Na.
นาดี
ทิ
He.
กะกะ
รัก
Gach.
judge,
ชัน
ฉัน
Chan.
ชัน
ทิ
Ti.
ตินาดิกัจจันติ
Suttanam. Nadi. กัจฉันติ
กัจจันติ
ทิฉันทิ
Suttanam, Nadi, Gachanti.
Okay, this is from the
เสวนาจะ
Sevanaja.
บาละ
This one is Balanam.
นำ
Balana,
เซวนาจาบาลานาม
ปนนำ
Astevanaja,
ปันดิตานะนางจะปันดิตา
Okay, here is
จะ
how do you pronounce this one?
อันดีตารัน
Andi,
ตานันชา
This one is Nya.
อัญญา
เนี่ย
อัน
นั่น
Pandita Nem.
นั่นปัน
เน
ดิ
มจะ
นันจะเสว
ปันดีนา
Pandita Ne.
ตานา
นังจะ
เนชา
เสว
Okay, you have to pronounce this one.
ปัน
เน
ดิ
จะ
ตานัน
Pandita
เสว
Neja.
เนชา
ปันดิตา
Sevana.
เส
เซ
ว
วานา
This one is Pandita.
ปัน
Okay.
ดิตา
Pandita, Pandita, Nyangcha.
Pujaja. Puja Niyana.
ปู
ปูจา
ชา
เนยานา
เนยะ
Le.
ปูจา
Ya.
ปูจานี
Nam. Puja
นะ
Niyana. Okay, so now we will see the sutta in the book, page number 185. In the Bali Made Easy book, I wanted to see. Page number 185. Do you see now? Dhammacakka. Uvattana Sutta. Okay, so now you have to repeat after me. All of students together. Okay. Ewan me sutam.
ဧဝမေစိတ
เอวันเมสุตัง
Ekam samayam.
ဤတံ
ဧကမစေယ
เอกังสมัยยัง
Do you see the sutta? Do you see?
ยัง
Page number?
I'm not sure which page.
No, so I'm telling like a 185. 185.
is it
185.
เนี่ยวันให้พายหมอกตั้งนั้น
185.
185.
ความคูดของหมอกตั้งนั้น
Sally, do you see 185?
เนี่ยแรงหมอกตั้งนั้น
Now, do you see now?
อย่าวิสิมาเสียดัง
Okay. If you see, now please repeat after me. Ewan me sutam.
เอวันเมสุตัง
Ekam samayam.
เอกังสมัยยัง
Now you see the SAMAYM. Ekam samayam. So this is maybe, sometimes a paragraph number, maybe change. Now you look at the end of the lesson 36.
Ewan me
The end of the lesson 36.
สุตัง เอวัมเมสุตัง
Sally Subhadra.
บะกะวาบาระนะ
Lesson
สิยัง
36.
สิยังติอิสิปัตตะเนมิกาดะเยตัชชะโคบะกะวาปฏิกาวาหิเยปิโกอามันเตสีเรเมบิกาเว
Let's see.
Okay, look at the page number. Do you find?
Yeah. Yes, Sarah, they already opened, Sarah.
Where are you now? I call you. You don't hear me?
Sarah, sorry, I am mute, so I thought that I'm unmute.
Okay, no mute. Okay, now 185.
Yes, Sarah.
85, 185 on the same page number.
Yes, the same page, Sarah.
Okay. Students, now I think that they will find 185.
Yes.
Dhammacakka Bodhana Suttam. Now all of the students, maybe 4 or 5 students repeat after me. Other students also, even though you mute your microphone, you repeat after me. Because learning the Pali language is language learning. So you need to recite. You need to say the Pali word. Otherwise, it is difficult to understand the Pali. Okay, now we will start now. Now maybe 5 students can repeat after me.
Yes, Sarah.
Okay. Okay. I don't hear your voice.
Yes, we are ready.
We are ready.
I'm ready.
You are now ready? All of students are ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so please repeat after me. Ewan me sutam.
Ewan
Sutam.
Ekan samayam.
Ekam
Samayam.
Gawa. Gawa.
Gawa.
Aranasiyam.
Varanasiyam.
You will see the Varanasiyam.
Varanasiyam. Varanasiyam.
Varanasiyam.
Okay. Nasiyam.
Varanasiyam.
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 Viharati.
Viharati.
Isi patane. You be careful. Isi is, you have to say isi and then patane. Isi patane. But if you, pronounce like isi patane, if you pronounce like this, it is wrong. Isi is one word, patane is one word. That is why we have to pronounce very carefully. Isi patane. Mika daye. Tatara ko. Bagawa. Pancha. Wagiye. Pancha wagiye. Bhikkhu. Amantesi. Okay, now I want you to read yourself this paragraph. Ewan me sutam. Now the next paragraph. Dwe me bhikkhawe. Bhikkhawe. Anta. Pabba jitena. Na sewitappa. Now you see that they say vitappa, double consonants, or maybe problem with the pronunciations. Pabba.
Jitena. Papa Jitena.
Sewitappa. So when you see like a double consonants, two consonants, at that time the first one belong to the preceding one. I mean the pronunciation. Okay, here also So everywhere it is like this. Katame dwe. Yo jayam.
Yorodayam
Pachitena
Kamesu.
Tabe
Kamesu.
Kamesu
Okay, now we will see in a very big word. Kama.
Kama
Sukhanlika.
Sukhalika Anu
Sukhanlika also like with the
Kama
la.
Sukhanika Anu Yogo
Kalika
Sukhanika Anu
Yogo.
Yogo
Su and the kam is when you see with the la, we pronounce it is similar to the kam. Khanlika.
Kalika
It is similar pronunciation like a kam. Yeah. With the ba. Khanlika. Nu yogo.
Yogo.
Okay. Okay, now we will start again. Dwe me break away. Anta.
Anta
Baba jitena. Na se witaba. Katame dwe. Yo jayam.
Yo
Kamesu.
Kamesu
Kama sukhanlika nu yogo.
Kama
Anu Yogo.
Ino. Gamo.
Gammo
Oto janiko. Okay, now here I will tell you how to pronounce.
Nico
Like if you see like this one with the VU, okay, you pronounce Vota. Vota. Okay. Mota. Okay. Mota.
Mutta.
Here is touch, similar pronunciation like this. Potojaniko. Okay.
Janiko.
So here you have to pronounce Sita. Sita. This E, when it is followed by the double consonants, their pronunciation is similar to the 8. 8 means like a date. In the date we have the 8. Here also Sita. Sipa. Wija. Now you may notice like 8. The pronunciation is 8. Like in date also, we pronounce 8. Sita. Now I think in the phonetic symbol they will show like this 8.
8.
Okay. Okay. Sita, Sipa, Wija. This one, Lota. Okay. Lota means to delete it. Kota. Okay. Oh, this one is the pronunciation oat. Like OAT, oat. Okay. Potojaniko. Okay, now we will continue. Nariyo. Anatta Sahito.
Anatta
Samhito.
The Sam, it is with the Nighita. Sam, which should be Nighita. Sahito.
Samhito.
Anatta Sahito, Sam. Like if you see like with the A, King, Gong, A, O. So Cam, King, Go. Cam, King, Go. That is a Sam.
Samhito.
Okay, Yo Jayam, Atta, Atta Gila Mata, Nu Yogo, Doko. Okay, the same pronunciation. Oat, Doko, Nariyo, Anatta Sahito. Okay, so you don't recite together all together at the same time. Maybe two at first, two students recite, and then two students and then two students. Because otherwise we'll be very confused.
Chỉ cần hai người mình có thể là xung phong hoặc mình chọn cái reaction đó, mình vẫy tay.
Okay, at first two students. Dwe me Bikawe,
Anta
Dạ.
Papa
Con mời cô Như Thân tức là Quỳnh Nguyễn á. Dạ rồi. Dạ. Quý vị có thể bắt đầu. Quý vị có thể bắt đầu ạ. Dạ, hai người Quỳnh Nguyễn với Như Thân.
Ewan me sutang.
okay,
Kang samayang bagawa. Varanasi yang viharati. Isi patane. Nigadaye.
Patra Ho Bhagava Panchavagiye Bhikkhu
Amandesi.
okay. Carry on. Dwe me,
Dweme.
Bhikkhawe Anta Papa
Pachatia. Papachitena.
okay.
Na Sevitapa Katame Dwe
Yo jayang.
Jayam Kamesu Kamasukhalika Nuyogo Hino Gamo
Potujaniko. Anariyo. Anahasangito.
Okay, good. Yo Jayam,
Yo jayang.
Jayam Atta Kipalatha Nuyogo Dukho Anariyo Anatha Samhito.
okay. Now the next two students together. Ewan me Sutam,
Dạ con mời một người nữa ạ. Dạ một người là sư rồi còn một bạn Hồng Trương ạ.
Con xin
Okay.
phép đọc ạ. Dạ. Ewan me sutang
Văn Việt Tráng
Semayang
Samayang
Bhagava Siyang
Varanasi
Sisipatane
Varanasi
Migadayang
Varanasi
Varanasiyang Viharati
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 Isipatane Migadaye
Migadaye
Chako
Tatra
Bhagava
Tatra Ko
Panchavati
Bhagava
Bhikkhu Amantesi
Pancha Vagiye
Bhagava Pancha Vagiye
Pancha Vagi
Bhikkhu Amantesi
Pancha Vagi
Pancha Vagiye Bhikkhu
Okay
Amantesi
Pancha Vagiye Bhikkhu Amantesi
Okay
Amantesi
Dwe me Bhikkhave
Bhikkhawe Anta Babachitena
Babachitena
Nasevitapa Kata Medwe Yochayang Kamesu Kamasukhalika Nuyogo
Hino
Damo Potu Chaniko
Botu Janiko
Anariyo Anatha Sanghiko
Sanghito
Yochayang
Jayam Anta Ilamatha Nuyogo
Dukho
Anariyo Anatha
Anatha Sanghito Okay now
Sanghiko
the next two students
Sayada
The next two students
Hai quý vị tiếp theo mình có thể xin tăng ạ. Mời cô Trang Lê với Thư Lâm ạ.
Evam me sutam ekam samayam Bhagava Varanasiyam Viharati Isipatane Migadaye Tatrako Bhagava Panchavatiye Amatesi Dweme Bhikkhu Khave Anta Papachitena Na Sevitapa Katame We Yo
Katame Dwe
Katame Dwe Yo Chayam Kamesu Kamasukhamlika Nuyogo Hino Gammo
Poto
Janiko Anariyo Anatha Samhito Yo Chayam Attakilama Nuyogo Dukho Anariyo Anatha Samhito
Okay, now please repeat after me all together. Etete Bhikkhave
Bhikkhawe
Ubo Ante Anupakama Majjhima Patipada Tathagatina
Tatthagata
Abhisambuddha
Abhisambuddha
Chakku Karani
Chakkukarani
Jnana Karani
Jnanakarani
Upasamaya
Upasamaya
Abhinyaya
Abhinyaya Abhinyaya
Sambodhaya
Sambodhaya
Nibbana
Nibbana
Samvadati
Samvadati
Katamaja Sa
Katamajasa
Bhikkhave
Bhikkhave
Majjhima
Majjhima
Patipada
Patipada
Tathagatina
Tatthagatina
Abhisambuddha
Abhisambuddha
Chakku Karani
Chakkukarani
Jnana Karani
Jnanakarani
Jnana is one word, Karani is one word. That is why we have to say it separately. Jnana Karani
Jnanakarani
Upasamaya
Upasamaya
Abhinyaya
Abhinyaya
Sambodhaya.
Sambodhaya
So you can say SAM, B-O-BODHR, Da. Sambodhaya.
Sambodhaya
Samvadati
Nibbanaya.
Nibbana
Samvadati.
Samvadati
Ayamewa.
Ayamewa
Ariyo.
Ariyo
Atthengiko.
Atthengiko
Atthengiko.
Atthengiko
Mego.
Mego
So we have to pronounce it not Mego. It is Mego.
Mego
Sayati Dam.
Pitam
Samadhi.
Samadhi
Sama Sankapo.
Sankapo
Sama Sankapo. Sama Waja.
Samavacha
Sama Kamando.
Samanto
Sama Ajiwo. Sama Wayamo. Sama Sati. Sama Samadhi. Okay, Yang Kosa Bhikkhave. Majjhima Patipada. Tathagatina. Abhisambuddha. Chakku Karani. Nyana Karani.
Nhà
Nhà
Nhà khả
Upasamaya.
Upasamaya
Abhinyaya. Sambodhaya. Nibbanaya. Samvadati. Okay, now you are going to practice this paragraph. You need to write down in your notebook also. Next week also we will continue. The class, we will say sadhu 3 times. At the same time, I will send you loving kindness. May all students be happy, healthy, and peaceful. Now we will stop the class sadhu by saying the sadhu 3 times.
Thank you very much, Sarah.
Thank you,
Thank you, Sayadaw.
Yeah, thank you, Sarah.
Thank you, Sayadaw.
Đó có cái thông báo là do quý vị chỉ học tiếng Anh thôi á, mình không có dịch, cho nên đó là lớp sẽ kéo dài trong vòng chỉ tầm 50 phút. Là thường một lớp học ở bên đây á, là sẽ kéo dài 50 phút ạ. Thì mình sẽ vào lớp vào lúc 8 giờ Việt Nam cho tới 9 giờ kém 10 chúng ta sẽ kết thúc ạ. Dạ, hôm nay quý vị có gì cần hỏi không ạ?
Sư cô ơi, hôm nay đọc hơi nhanh nên là em chưa có đọc kỹ được với cô.
Dạ, khúc nào ấy chú, tức là mình nguyên tắc là giống như tiếng Việt ha. Khi nào mà mình thấy những cái